Hey guys, it's Hye-Felicia, not Hey guys, it's Hye-Felicia here, not by Felicia. And what you're seeing right now is a come fix it with me video. It's not a mukbang video. The other day I turned the switch on for my garbage disposal, and when I turned it off, it would not turn off. It was still making noise. So I went on YouTube and found out that I need to take out the switch and replace it. So in this video, you will see me take out the switch and replace it, and you'll see what comes up next. Hey guys, so I have a little project that I have to do. So the other side of me likes to get greasy and dirty. So this switch right here controls the garbage disposal. This one is, yeah, I think this one is the light that's above this window right here. And this one is the dishwasher, which doesn't work. Well, the switch works, but the dishwasher doesn't work. So anyway, so I'm having an issue with this switch right here. So when it's, you know, when you go like this, right now the electricity is turned off for this thing. So when you go like this, the garbage disposal should make noise. So it's off. And if I go back down to the circuit breaker and flip it on, the garbage disposal will still make noise, even though the switch is flipped off. So it's a brand new garbage disposal. Nothing is wrong. It's just like the other day, I just went like this, and then it felt weird. So I think I need to change this out. So I will be changing that out, and hopefully that works. I'm back. So here's what I did. I unscrewed the top and bottom screw, you know, these screws right there. And I don't have that thingy like to test, like if there's power going through here. So anyway, what I would do next is unloosen these two, and that's how those wires are in there. And that's what I'll be taking to Home Depot. I mean, I've replaced the light switch and plug before, so. Okay guys, so now I'm back. Now, this new one that I brought looks like this. And it doesn't have that same thing where that other wire was inside. So what I had to do was splice some of this wire off, and I'm gonna have to put that around this one and then put that other one down there, right there, around this. So that's what I'm trying to do now. And of course I can't hold the camera and stuff at the same time. Okay guys, I am back. So what I did was, this is turned off and these are grounded there. And what happened is I would turn the circuit breaker on, turn the thing on for the garbage disposal, and when it was off it would turn on. So I just tested it, and well, the power to that is on and we don't hear any noise. And then when I turn this on, it works. So that was the problem. I fixed it. So now I'm gonna put this back together and then put my ceramic plate back on. All right, guys, jack of all trades. See ya. Okay, guys, so you see that I fixed it. However, the white switch and the two beige switches are killing me. Well, not killing me, but it's like, bothering me. So I will be going back and probably switching out these two switches, because this one white and the two beige is like, I was gonna say, oh, I'll leave it because now someone can distinguish which one is the garbage disposal. But yeah, what do you think?